Welcome to our serene golf course, a haven of tranquility where the beauty of nature meets the elegance of the game, challenging you every step of the way to stay present. As you step on the lush fairways, allow yourself to immerse in the atmosphere that surrounds you. The soft rustling of the leaves and the gentle breeze whispering through the trees creates a symphony of serenity, inviting you to leave the outside world behind and be fully present in this moment. With each swing of the golf club, feel your worries and stresses dissipate, replaced by a sense of calm and focus. The rhythmic motion of your swing becomes a meditation, allowing you to connect with your inner self. As you approach the final hole, take a moment to appreciate the journey you've taken, the camaraderie shared, and the mindfulness cultivated throughout the round. This is the game of golf, a mental inner game played out physically.